Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your 1.1 or app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here and just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this is it's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps is here in there you're looking for 1.1 warp. Just click on it here, so or just click on search, then here add 1.1 or just click on it, then it's going to take you to this is here, click on for stop, click on ok, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage this here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click on it here, so in here it's here you search for 1.1 orb. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.